Pag masipag ka, you work hard, hindi ka maghihirap. Pero if you don't know how to scale, you don't know how to leverage, di ka yayaman. Kaya yumaman si Henry C. because ang dami niyang hinire na mas matalino sa kanya that can do a better job at him. He's now leveraging the ideas, the time, and skill of other people. Resign ako 2010, so 9 years na akong unemployed. Umasa na lang ako sa asawa ko. So what does it feel to be with an award-winning director?
Hindi, wala pa siya award.
Super yaman. Di lang award-winning, yaman pa. Parang Jason Lo na gumagapang sa pera. So we just finished taping for a multi-millionaire producer slash speaker slash author slash may allergy Jason Lo. We just finished it. He's the director. What do you want me to call you?
Jepoy na lang, bro.
Sige, Jepoy, Direct Jepoy. Guys, watch out for him. Hindi lang siya magaling, sobrang yaman.
Nakoy, sa kaibigan,
Sobrang
sa
yaman.
pagmamahal.
If you know Shansi, same level.
Paano mo madidiscern na ikaw ay isang businessman, isang entrepreneur, na you're an employee, you're a talent, then ano ba yung parang dapat na parang benchmark mo na, pwede ako mag-business. Gusto ko mag-business.
Ito interesting kasi ngayon napansin ko, yung entrepreneurship, parang naging cool thing siya ngayon na everyone wants to be an entrepreneur also. Pero this is what I've realized. Depende siya sa skills mo I think if you are, for example, the vice president of, sabihin natin, HSBC, Citibank, or other big companies, you will probably earn more than some entrepreneurs also that are starting out. Meaning, there will be people na pang-corporate talaga sila, but because they're doing well for corporate, di na nila kailangan mag-business. For example, wife ko, sobrang galing niya sa corporate world, pero di niya kaya mag-business, di nga niya kaya magbenta Yung parang, kung nagbibenta siya, ayaw mo bilhin yan, ikaw na nga tinutulungan, ba't ikaw patatanggi, gano'n. Parang gano'n. So, there are some people that it's not wrong for them to be employees. What's very important, what do you really like? Kasi ako, when I started out, first month pa lang, alam ko na, hindi ako magiging employee forever. I already knew it Kaya, that's why it's very, very important to start early para makita mo if mag-flop tong business na to, hindi pa ganun kalaki yung pera mo. Kasi ito biggest mistake of a lot of people. Mag-business sila, kunyari, magre-retire na ako, I have this money, retire ako, mag-business ako. That's a mistake. Kasi bakit? You have a large amount of money, no experience, no skill. Pag nagkamali ka, wipe out lahat yun. So, for you to know, you won't really know at the start You will only know when you start trying. So, when I was starting out, I did business. Nagkataon lang, it worked. Yeah. Hindi ako nalugi, pero dumating sa point, hindi para sa akin to So, tanggalin ko na, tigil ko na to, start this. Tanggalin ko na to, tigil na to, start this. Hanggang when it started to earn, nangyari sa akin, I started investing, hindi ko ginastos. My biggest secret was, first 5 years ng buhay ko, I worked 16 hours, 8 hours sa trabaho, 8 hours doing businesses.
Business.
Doing businesses. Tapos every time I earned there, I never spent it, I invested it. And then as I started to invest, mas nagustuhan ko yung stock market. I started to place money. So to answer your question, you won't know until you try. Okay. That's why you have to start small para if it does not work out, hindi ganun kalaki yung exposure mo and you can start again. Or if it does not work out, you can do it again but do it better also. Kasi madaming tao sa school Pag hindi ka naka-perfect score, talo ka It's not how it is But in business, the more failures you have, the better it will be. Kasi yung failure na yun, you don't start from zero Kasi yun na yung experience mo to do better the next time. So, lagi ko sinasabi, fail, just keep on failing. Kasi when you fail, ito naintindihan ko sa business Sometimes you only need to have one business to be rich Meaning kahit yung siyam doon, mali, flop. Pero yung pang-sampo, pumutok, naging Uber, naging Airbnb, naging Mang Inasal, you only need one to make you rich.
Pero paano kaya bro yung ang question ko is that, sabi mo kanina, good in corporate. Kaya paano kung hindi ka naman sa corporate, kung empleyado ka? So, kasi di ba madalas ako nasabihan ako na, hindi ka yaman kung sabihin empleyado. Nothing against sa mga ano, mag-business ka, mag-ganun ka. So, is it really parang mindset nga ba na parang dapat ba talaga mag-business ka kung nasa mga ano ka, rank and file employee, is it really dapat na para magkaroon ka ng alternative income, kailangan ba talaga mag-push ka na mag-business?
Well, pag sa trabaho mo, nakita mo hindi ka umakyat or pag umakyat ka, hanggang doon lang talaga yung pwedeng sweldo, kailangan mo ng additional sources of income. Talaga, kailangan mong maghanap ng business. Kaya kailangan mo i-develop yung skill. Kasi madami nagtatanong, ano patok na business ngayon? Kahit patok yung business, wala kang skill doon, hindi ka kikita eh. It always has to be kung ano yung skill mo. Kasi kahit yung business mo, ang dami mong kalaban, pero ikaw yung pinakamagaling. It doesn't matter, you will still make money. You make money in business, not because hindi magaling yung competition mo, but you make money in business because of the amount of value that you give it. The more value you give, kahit ikaw yung pinakamahal, people will go for you. Kasi people will always follow value. So kung nagsa-start ka, build your skills. Check mo, magaling ba? Like what you did, magaling ba ako sa photography? Kasi kung hindi kayo magaling sa start, malalaman nyo naman, hindi na kayo babalikan naman kahit libre kayo. Kasi kung kunyari, photographer sa wedding, pangit lahat ng shots mo, kahit kaibigan mo, hindi ka kukunin eh. So people will be willing to pay kahit mas mahal ng konti sa mas may sa better yung quality kesa sa hindi. So you will know it already. That's why you have to try it. Pero totoo, if your corporate job is not working for you, kailangan mo business. Then, or kung yung corporate job is working naman, kailangan mo lang mag-invest. So, either, para sa akin, you need to have a skill na magbibigay sa mas malaking pera. Then, yung skill na yun, kailangan mo siya scale. When I say scale, how can you make it large na kahit wala ka dun, gagana siya. So, it becomes a business when you're not just earning from yourself. If you're earning from yourself, you're just earning from your skill. When you know how to leverage people, that's when it becomes a business. Pag masipag ka, you work hard, hindi ka maghihirap. Pero if you don't know how to scale, you don't know how to leverage, hindi ka yayaman. Kaya yumaman si Henry C. because ang dami niyang hinire na mas matalino sa kanya that can do a better job at him. He's now leveraging the ideas, the time, and skill of other people. So, yun. Kung okay ka na where you are, basta masipag ka, okay na, hindi ka maghihirap. Pero if you want to go bigger, you need to start leveraging that's why investing is leveraging. Nileverage mo ibang negosyo, nileverage mo pera ibang tao, nileverage mo ibang ideas. So,
kunwari, okay naman ako sa work ko, sa day job ko. Then, may ginawa kong racket na medyo business side, medyo sideline. Okay din naman siya. Should I quit my job, focus on the business, or kaya kailangan lang na i-maintain ko yung job ko because yun yung security, secure ako doon, and then maintain ko lang yung sideline ko kasi nandiyan lang siya, passive income.
Depende. If you like your job, why will you leave? So kung nag-i-enjoy ka, yun talaga yung gusto mo, don't leave, pero kumikita ka extra. Pero pag ito talaga yung gusto mo, na hinihintay mo lang na kailan to maging enough to replace this, pag dumating na siya sa point na, nung nag-resign ako sa trabaho ko, nag-resign ako 2010, so 9 years na akong unemployed, umasa na ako sa asawa ko. Yun yung best technique, guys. Mag-asawa ng masipag, mayaman, at bahala na siya. Pero mo, nag-video tayo ngayon siya, nagtatrabaho. Best way.
Pero mo yan, Friday na Friday. Daytime, nagkakape.
Nagkakape tayo, nagtatrabaho siya. So, yun yung shortcut. Pwede kayo magtrabaho, pero kung meron tao, yun yung pag pina-follow mo sa
other
Facebook,
works for you, work for you, parang gano'n.
Yung greatest investment ko, biruin mo, hanggang nandun siya, may pera pumapasok sa akin. Kaya yung pinopost ko sa Facebook na my wife is my greatest asset, totoo yun. As long as nandun siya, nagkatrabaho.
Correct.
Passive income for life.
And then you are, your wife's greatest liability. Hindi
naman. Kasi pinapasaya ko siya. Amin naman yung pera kung wala siyang love life.
So at least may return of investment naman pala.
Daming taong mayaman, gwapo, maganda, walang love life, bali wala lahat yun. Ako nabibigay ko yung hindi nababayaran ng pera. Yun yung nabibigay natin. So ano yung pinag-usapan natin? Nangyari, nagbe-business na ako noon, nag-invest na ako noon. May mga times na yung kita ko sa business and investments were higher than my employment. So, since business siya, hindi siya fixed yung lamang sa employment, sigurado ka ito yung kukunin mo eh. Ito lagi yung kukunin mo. Pero yung sa business or investment, may time na ganun, may time na ganun. So, nung nakita ko, may times na ganun, meron nakita ko may potential na siya, Tapos may ipon naman ako, nakatira pa ako sa bahay ng magulang ko noon. It gave me a lot of ability already na, teka, may potential to eh. If I stay in my job, ito na lang yun. Kung ma-promote ko, ito yun. Kaya dadating sa point na, ano pipiliin mo? I made the choice 2010. Pipiliin ko ba financial security or financial freedom? Financial security, safe, hindi nakakatakot, kahit tamarin ka, may kita ka. Pero financial freedom, nakakatakot. Pero it's the most rewarding. Nag-resign ako sa trabaho, that's the best decision I've ever made in my life. Kasi, yung nagagawa ng entrepreneurship, hindi siya pera eh. Nagagawa ng entrepreneurship, freedom eh. That you get to do the things that you want when you want it eh. Yun yung nagagawa nun eh.
Pero noong time na yun, binata ka pa na, no?
Malapit na ako mag-propose nun sa wife ko.
Okay.
Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, I need to resign eh. I don't see myself doing this eh. So, sabi ko sa kanya, I will follow my passion. Tapos alam mo sabi niya? Sabi niya, whatever you do, I will support you.
Wow.
Nung sinabi niyo, will you marry me? Hindi, joke, di ko sinabi niya gano'n. Pero, true story din nun na yung wedding fund ko, 2006 pa lang, start pagka-graduate ko pa lang, nag-ipon na ako lang. College education fund ng future kids ko, 2006 pa lang, iniipon ko na rin. Engagement ring, nung nagka-girlfriend ako, saka ako nag-ipon ako. Pero ganun, the best time to prepare for your finances is when you don't need it.
Paano kung pamilyado ka? Tapos, may nagde-depend sa'yo sa work mo. Pero gusto mo mag-business. Pero yun nga, yung dilemma.
Pag pamilyado ka, you have to be, syempre, faithful.
Yeah.
Hindi na faithful, loyal. Pero pag pamilyado ka, yung greatest na kailangan mong isipin is kailangan ikaw pa rin mag-provide sa family mo. Pero, dahil we are in one of the greatest times to earn money, iba na yung scenario ngayon compared to the 1970s eh. Pag 1970, pag uwi mo, wala ka na magagawa. Pero ngayon, pag uwi mo, ng 5, 6 o'clock, you can still do a lot kung paano ka kumita. Yung issue, yung para sa akin na yung issue is not kung ano yung ginagawa mo eh. Kasi pag uwi mo sa bahay, there's so much you can do eh. Ginagawa ng madaming tao minsan, nag-Netflix, nag-YouTube. So, what you do with your spare time will determine how rich you will be also.
Wow.
So, kung sobrang laki ng pangarap mo, you back it up with work also. Kasi minsan, lahat tayo malakas mangarap eh. Pero yung pangarap naman natin, we're not doing anything about it. So, kung may trabaho ka, everything else after that, pangarap mo maging sikat na photographer, pangarap mo mag-start na iyong fashion line, security guard ka, or teacher ka, or engineer ka, be faithful ng 9 to 5, pero 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, follow your dreams, doon mo siya gawin. When it comes to a point na pwede na siya maging negosyo, saka ka mag-resign. Yun, so your goal muna is dapat covered yung pang-araw-araw mo.
Correct.
O yung mali naman ng iba, they resign ka agad. That's naman, irresponsible.
May parang factor ba yung who I associate with?
Oo naman.
Di ba may sasabi ka, average,
You're the average of 5 people closest to you.
Yeah.
Kaya nga, dumidikit ako sa'yo, kay Jason Lo, kasi sobrang yaman kayo eh.
Kishansi ka.
Ito yung rule of thumb ko. Gusto ko lagi kong kasama, ako yung pinakamahirap doon. Kasi bakit? Kung ikaw yung pinakamayaman doon, wala ka na matututunan eh. Wala ka na matututunan. Hindi dahil, sabi iba, bakit gusto mo ikaw pinakamayarap, mapapalibre ka? Hindi. Kasi, what people fail to see, kunyari, may mayaman ka na kamag-anak, laging unang inisip ng mga tao, anong mahihingan kong pere. Don't ask what you can, huwag kang humingi ng pera sa mayaman kamag-anak. Learn from them paano nila nagawa yun. Kasi pag binigyan ka nila ng pera, yung potential stops eh. Pero pag tinuro nila sa'yo paano nila nagawa yun, forever na nasa iyo yun eh. If you are the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Dapat ikaw yung pinaka walang alam. Para sa akin, gusto ko laging ganun. Kasi pag kasama ko, ako na yung pinakamatalino, wala nang growth dun. Kaya nga ako nandito eh.
Wow.
Kaya ako nandito kasi sobrang yaman.
Sa dapat,
Kaibigan mo pa rin naman siya eh. Pero kung hindi ka na nag-grow, dapat dadating sa point na may nagcha-challenge sa'yo eh. Kasi kung hindi ka na-challenge, wala na. I do a lot of talks last year. Probably 240 plus talks, 77 flights. Pero, in spite of the schedule, I make sure na I attend 25 seminars a year. Kasi kailangan ko matuto eh.
learning talaga. Mag-invest sa sarili mo in learning.
Kasi, yun yung pinakasulit eh. Yung 10,000 na linagay mo sa stock market, kumita siya ng 20%, magiging 12,000 yun. Yung 10,000 na linagay mo sa sarili mo. Kung the learnings you can get from it can give you millions and hindi na mawawala yun. Kaya siya sulit.
Wow, how to be you po, Marvin.
Bira
Yeah, how
na,
to be you.
Hindi nga, you're already doing better than me eh. Oh.
Meron ka namang, may funds ka, may investment ka naman and then you still have parang extra money pa rin. So, ano yung kumbaga, ano ba, invest pa rin ba? Or in what way na mas, kumbaga, yung pera ko, yun yung mag-work for me, parang ganon. So, pero kung sakaling, meron naman ako investment eh. Meron na akong iba pang yung mga kailangan, insurance, may spare money pa. Where should I invest pa rin ba?
Yung question doon, is that investment enough na kahit wala ka nang gawin, can it replace yung pang-araw-araw mo? If the answer is no, invest more. If the answer is yes, bili ka na ng Ferrari, bili mo na yung ginagawa, bili mo na yung gusto mong gawin, or start ka ng charity, or yung masaya sa akin, hindi ko habol pera eh. Yung, alam mo kung nagpapasaya sa akin? It's the process of entrepreneurship and investing, kaya laging nag-change, yun yung exciting. Wala akong plano bumili ng yate, wala akong plano ganun. Masaya na ako, basta mabili ko lang yung gusto kong kainin, masaya na ako doon eh. Kape, mahilig ako sa kape, yun lang. Other than that, okay na. It becomes fun because I just love what I do eh. Yun yung amazing doon na kahit anong gawin mo, hindi ka na mapapagod. So, if sobra yung pera, tapos nakakapagbigay ka sa tao, nakakabigay ka sa church, nakakapag-ipon ka, nakakapag-save ka, bili ka ng Ferrari. If Ferrari is your thing, di ba? Eh, kung hindi naman, bili ka Rolex, something na tingin mo kung ayaw mo yun, ipon mo lang siya, bili ka lupa, something like that. So, at the end of the day, what's your goal? What will make you happy? What is the thing na nasa puso mo na kailangan gawin? Ngayon lang ako na-interview ng isang director na sobrang lupit.
Ngayon lang ako
Galing.
Grabe guys,
I got
stock smart and sobra, Marvin Hermo.
Okay, thank you. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart.
There we go. And
Cut!
Lights, camera,
action.
Yeah. Yan yung mga term. Rolling.
Rolling.
Ayan. Okay.
Pag rolling in the deep, si Adele na yun.
Adele na yun.